Planning to buy a ring but not sure what will fit? Watch this quick video to learn how to measuring size. 1. One of the most accurate techniques to measuring sizes to use a ring sizing tool. Metal or plastic rings of various sizes make up these instruments. You can use them to try different rings until you locate the right one. The size of the ring on the tool that fits your finger perfectly will tell you what ring size to get. 2. Use a printed ring size chart. Many jewelry sites offer printable ring sizing charts. These charts have circles with measurements. Take a ring that you know fits you well and place it on the chart, choosing the circle that matches the inside diameter to find your ring size. 3. If you don't have a ring sizer or printable chart, measure your ring size with a string or paper strip. Wrap a rope or piece of paper tightly around the base of your finger where you'll wear the ring. Mark where the string or paper overlaps and measure with a ruler. Reference a ring size conversion chart to get your size based on the measurement.